బాషా నువ్వు వెళ్ళిపోమ్మా, నువ్వు వేయాలి వస్తావు.
సార్ మీకే ఇచ్చేసి వచ్చాను సార్ రిటర్న్.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే, రికార్డ్ అవుతుంటుందా?
ఏం లేదు సార్, చేసేది ఏం లేదు, యూట్యూబ్ లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాం అంతే. వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ క్లాస్ చూస్తారు యూట్యూబ్ లో అంతే.
రైట్ 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 రైట్, ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
ఓకే.
All members are there coming, right? Till they are joining, right? Till your people has to be joined, right? Till coming. Right. Say we'll complete one para, right? Now we'll read this para, right? The second paragraph, right? Now I'll read this para. Then what you have to do means listen carefully. After that, you want to read this. Read this one by one. Have you understand it? Have you understand everyone? What I said, have you understand? Yeah, you do one thing. I read this paragraph, then after that you would read this. Then I will explain about those paras, right? Yes? Anyone doubt? Yes, Venu has come, right? Yes. Please switch on your videos. Don't hide yourself. Don't hide yourself. Switch on your videos, everyone. Switch on your videos. Everyone switch on your video. I need to see your faces. So I don't want to hide your faces. Just show your face on videos, right? Yeah, where with that? Yes. Yes. How's seen everyone here? Is it clear for you? Is it clear for the picture or screenshot, everything?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Now read this. You have to follow this, right? When I am reading this paragraphs, you must read this, right? Without spelling mistake, without any deviation sentences, right? Without any mistakes, right? Right. I realized why God had made us like this to give hope to others. It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage other people and give them the courage that the article had given me. I decided to be thankful for what I do have, not to get angry about what I don't. I looked at myself in the mirror and said, you know what the world is right, that I have no arms and legs, but they will never take away the beauty of my eyes. I wanted to concentrate on something good that I had. The challenges in our lives or there are to strengthen our convictions. They are not there to run us over, said Nick. In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. And once I was in a car and a girl at traffic lights was looking at me interestingly. She could only see my head, so I decided to do a 360 degrees spin in the car seat to frank her out. Her face was likely, wow, what is going on? She sped off really quickly. Nick began traveling the world and in 2008 he went to Hawaii and met a surfing master, Bethan Hamilton, who had her arm beaten off by a shark when he was 12. She was amazing, said Nick. She was amazing, said Nick. She taught me how to surf and I was terrified at first. But once I got up there, it felt absolutely. Yes. She was amazing, said Nick. She taught me how to surf and I was terrified at first. But once I got up there, it felt absolutely fantastic and I caught some waves pretty well. Nick quickly learned how to do the 360-degree spins on his boat, a feat that got him on the cover of Surfer Manage with 48 hours. No one has ever done that in the history of surfing, he said. But I have a very low center of gravity, center of gravity, so I have got a pretty good balance. Have understand what I say? What I am reading? How I am reading? Have understand? Have you understand how I am reading? Chanakeshav, DS, T. Purushottam, Praveen, Dhanush.
Sir,
Are you following how I am speaking? How I am speaking? How I am reading? Are you following
Yes,
my
sir.
voice? Are you following my voice? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Are you following
Yes,
my
sir.
voice?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
You have to follow what I am reading. You have to follow. After that, you want to read this. Read like this, right? Right. He has visited different countries all over the world. The football fan is now a motivational speaker and has traveled to over 24 countries, speaking to groups of up to 110,000 people. He moved to Los Angeles in 2007 and planned to continue to travel the world. In 2009, he visited South America and the Middle East. In 2008, Kenai Mishra, a beautiful young girl whose mother was a Mexican and whose father was a Japanese, attended to the meeting where the Nick was the guest speaker in Texas. Kenai was attracted to Nick's message. Right? I read this. Please, anyone can read this paragraph. Anyone can read this paragraph? Do it.
Sir, I read,
Anyone?
sir.
Yes.
read,
Who is
sir.
that? What's your name?
Narsimurthy, sir.
Yes, Natsamurthy. Can you go on?
I realized why God had made us like this, to give hope
Yes.
to others.
Very good.
It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage
Encourage other people.
encourage
Yes.
other people and give
Yes.
them the coverage that the article
Give
had
them
me.
the courage. Courage.
That,
Courage, that means dhairyamu, right? Give brave,
that
right?
the article
Yes.
had
Courage that.
given me. I decided to be thankful for what I do have, not get angry about what I don't. I looked
Yes,
at
very good.
myself in the mirror and said,
Hmm.
"You know what
Yes.
the world is
Said.
right
Said.
that I
Mirror and said.
mirror
Yes,
and
yes, yes.
said,
Continue.
you know what the world is right that I have no arms and legs, but they will never take away the beauty of my eyes. I wanted to concentrate on something good,
Concentrate. Repeat
on
again.
some
Repeat again.
concentrate
Concentrate.
on
Very good.
on something good that I had. The challenges
Very good.
in our
Read me, ma.
screen
Screen
కనపడతాను
కనపడలేదు సార్.
కనబడింది నాకు
Had
ఉంది
was
కదా నాకు కనిపిస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు
full గా లేదు.
కనిపిస్తుందా
సార్ దట్
ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు
No sir. No sir.
కనబడలేదా ఇప్పుడు
Had వరకు
ఛాలెంజెస్
ఉంది.
ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్ సార్.
అంతే సార్ ఉండేది.
yes read it read it
First నుండే
Chennakeshav
సార్.
లేదు మా
Sir.
the challenges in our lives Chennakeshav
ఎస్ సార్ కనబడతాను సార్. సార్.
చదవమ్మా
The challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. They are not there.
Convictions it means
Convictions.
beliefs, right?
Convictions, they are not there. No. Run us over.
They are not.
Said Nick.
Said
Nick
Nick.
in
Said
1990. Said Nick in 1990. Nick won the Australian young citizen of
Citizen.
the year award. Citizen of the year award for this bravery and perseverance. And once I was in a car.
Preservancy. You repeat it again. Preservancy. Repeat again. Yes.
Preservancy. And
Yes.
once I was in a car and a girl.
Preservancy
at
means the
traffic
quality
lights.
of continuing. Wait, stop. Preservancy means the quality of continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite difficulties. Whether a particular aim will be there, he want to any qualities. The qualities to continue. They are facing many difficulties, so that he reached his aim. Yes, continue. Yes. Continue.
At a traffic light was looking at me.
Yes.
Interestingly, she could.
Wait.
He could do.
Read again. Read again at once.
And once
At
I
once
was
teacher, read
I
again.
was in a. And once I was in a
Thought.
car and a girl at a traffic light. A traffic light was looking at me. Interestingly, she could only see my head.
Interestingly. Read again.
Interestingly.
Very good.
Interestingly, she could only see my head. So
She could only.
She could only
Repeat
see
again.
my head. So she could only see my head. So I dedicated to do.
I decided to do. Stop. I decided to. Repeat again.
I decided to do a 360-degree spin in the car seat
Yes.
to freak her out. Her face was like, oh, what is going on?
Wow, what is going on? Wow, you can say like this. Her face was likely, wow, what is going on? You have to say like this, right? You have to read like
Yes, sir.
this. Yes, repeat again. Repeat again.
Her face was like, oh, what is going on? She sped
Yes.
up really quickly.
Very good.
Nick began traveling the world, and in 2008 he went to Hawaii and met surfing master
Hawaii.
Bethany.
Hawaii కాదు. Hawaii.
Hawaii and met surfing master Bethany.
Bethany Hamilton.
Bethany
Hamilton.
Hamilton, who had her arm bitten off by a shark when she was 12.
Ah, yes. 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 Yes.
She was
Yes, read
amazing,
it, bro.
said. She was amazing,
She
said
was
Nick.
amazing, said Nick. Said Nick. You have to speak, you have to read like this. Said Nick.
Said Nick, she taught
Yes.
me how to surf, and I was terrified at first, but once I got up there, it felt
Terrified at first.
absolutely.
Terrified kadapa. Terrified at first. Right. Continue. Yes, continue, ma.
Fantastic, and I caught some waves pretty well. Nick quickly learned how to do
Pretty
360.
well. Waves pretty well, right? Pretty well.
Pretty well. Nick quickly learned how to do the 360 degree spins on his board, a feat that
Very
got
good.
him on the sir
Yes, read it.
cover of Super magazine within 48
Hey,
hours.
surfer message.
Sir, message ga sir.
Suffer magazine.
Suffer magazine
Suffer
magazine within 48 hours. No one has ever done that in the history of surfing. He said, but I have a
wait. That history of suffering. He said, read it.
But I have a very low center of gravity, so I have got pretty good balance. He has visited different countries all over the world. The football fan is now a motivational speaker and has traveled to over 24 countries, speaking to groups of up to 110,000 people. He moved to Los Angeles in 2007.
Los Angeles. Repeat again.
Los Angeles. He moved to Los Angeles in 2007.
Angels
in 2007 and planned to continue to travel the world. In 2009 he visited South America and the Middle East. In 2008,
South America and Middle East, right?
In 2008,
Kanine Mishra. You have to repeat.
Kanine Mishra, a beautiful young girl whose mother was Mexican and whose father was
a Mexican. Repeat again. A Mexican. Yes.
A Mexican and whose father was a Japanese attended to a meeting. Japanese attended to a meeting where Nick was the guest speaker in Texas. Kanine was attracted to Nick's message from.
Right. Stop. Right. Anyone read again? Anyone? Anyone?
I read, sir.
Who?
Rasafa, sir.
Oh, you need another people has to be read. Another
Yes,
one. Anyone. Or Danish. Enu Manohar Babu. Anyone. Harshavardhan. K. Harshavardhan.
Harshavardhan is not coming, sir, class.
Harsha. K. Harsha. Who is that?
Sir, sorry, sir. Net
Harsha.
problem.
You have that problem.
Yes, sir. Net problem.
Okay. Karen Natsamurthy. Can you read it? I'll explain later. Right.
Yes, sir.
Read it, ma.
I realized why God had made us like this, to give hope
Hmm.
to others. It was so
Hmm.
inspirational to me that I decided to useful my life to enough
Hmm.
other peoples and give them the
Hmm.
courage that the article had given me.
Oh.
I decided to
Oh.
be thankful for what I do have, not
Oh.
get angry about what I don't. I
Hmm.
looked at myself in the mirror and said,
Hmm.
"You know what the world is, right? That I have no arms and legs, but they will
Yes.
never take always the beauty of my eyes. I wanted to concentrate on something good.
Concentrate on something good that I had. Concentrate.
For
Yes.
screen
Yes.
sharing games.
Yes.
Hard work, sir.
Yes. Read this.
I challenges in our lives.
Hmm.
I challenges in our lives are there
Hmm.
to strengthen our conviction.
Convictions.
They are not
Convictions. Convictions.
conviction.
Hmm.
They are not there to run us over.
Hmm.
Said Nick in 1990. Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award from his
Yes.
bravery and fervence.
Yes.
And
Sorry.
once
Sorry. Brethren. Preservancy. Preservancy. Repeat again.
preservance.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And once
Preservancy.
and once
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And once I was in a car and a girl at traffic lights was looking at me interestingly. She could
Hmm.
only see my head, so I decided to do a 300 degrees spin in the car seat to
360
freak
degrees speed.
360 degrees spin in the car seat to freak
Yes.
her out. Her face
Hmm.
was like, "Oh, what is
Hmm.
going on?"
Hmm.
She speed
Hmm.
off really quickly. Nick began
Hmm.
traveling the world and in 2008 he went to Hawaii and met
Hmm.
suffering suffering master Bethany
Surfing
Hami-
master.
Ham-
Surfing master.
surfing
Repeat again.
master surfing
Yes.
master
Very
Bethany
good.
Hamilton
Bethany Hamilton. Bethany
Bethany
Hamilton.
Hamilton, who had
Hmm.
her arm bitten off by a shark
Aye.
when she was 12. She was
Yes.
amazing, said Nick. She taught
Yes.
me
Hmm.
how to surf, and I was terrified at first.
Terrified at first. Terrified at first. Yes.
Terrified
Continue.
at first, but once
Yes.
I got up there, it felt absolutely fantastic, and I thought
Absolutely. 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 Repeat again.
absolutely fantastic, and I caught some waves pretty well. Sir,
Waves
screen, sir.
pretty. Waves pretty well. Waves pretty well. Yes.
Screen, sir.
Yes. Oh.
Screen sharing game.
Okay. ఇప్పుడు
Yes, sir.
yes, ఇది read it.
Yes, sir. Nick quickly learned how to do the 360 degrees spin on his board, a feat that
Very
got
good.
him on the cover of Surfer
Suffer
magazine.
Suffer
Suffer
magazine.
magazine
Uh,
Suffer magazine
uh,
within 48 hours. No one
yes.
has ever done that in the history of surfing. The said but I have a
He said.
very low
Hmm,
center of
hmm,
gravity, so I have
hmm,
got pretty good balance. He was
good.
visited different countries all over the world.
Hmm,
The football fans is now a motivational speakers and has
hmm,
traveled to over
hmm,
24 countries speaking to groups of up to up
hmm.
to
110,000 people.
110,000 people. He moved to
Yes.
Los Angeles in 2007 and
Los
planned
Angeles. Los Angeles.
Los Angeles
Yes.
in
Huh.
2007 and planned to
Huh.
continue to travel the world. In 2019,
Hmm.
he visited South America and the Middle East.
2009. 2009. In 2009, he visited South
He
America and
visited
Middle
South
East.
America and the Middle East. In 2008,
Yes.
Kenani Miyahara, a beautiful young
Kenai
girl,
Mishra. Kenai Mishra. Repeat again.
Kerai
Repeat
Mishra,
again. Yes.
Kenai Miyahara,
Kenai Mishra. Mishra.
Ken-
Kenai
Kenai
Mishra.
Mishra, Kenai
Hmm.
Mishra, a beautiful young
Yes.
girl, a beautiful
Huh.
young girl, whose mother was
Hmm.
a Mexican
Whose
and
mother was
whose
a Mexican.
Mexican and
Whose mother was
father
Mexican. Hmm. Hmm.
whose father was Japanese, attended to a
Hmm.
meeting where Nick was
Hmm.
the guest speaker is Texas. Texas.
Very good.
Kenai
Hmm.
was attracted to Nick message from
Very good. Very good.
person.
Very good. 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 Over. Yes. How many are coming? Yes. Will be there. Yes. I realized why God had make us like this to give hope to others. It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage other people and give me them the courage that the article had given me. Here, I realized why God had made us like this. He can realize it himself why the God will made us. It means we don't have any what legs and arms and legs, right? So why the God has made us like this? To give hope to others. It means they learn, they see and learn. It means I want to do something. So I want to give from to some others, right? So I want to do something for others. So then the God made us like this, right? It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage other people. So he decided, the Nikwi decided, Nikwi Zusik has decided. So inspirational to that, inspiration, and he decided use my life to encourage other people. He uses his life, right? How? He play his without limbs, without legs, he play football, golf, and all these things. So take inspiration from other people. Give them courage that the article had given to me. That article has to be given had given to him, right? Right. I decided to thankful for what I do have, not get angry about what I don't. I decided to thankful for what I do have, not get angry what I don't. He decided himself what he has to do himself, what he was going to do. He was going football, he was going surfing, and all these things he has done. but he has not angry that, not getting angry. What he has what he has not done. ఏవైతే పనులు చేయలేదు దాన్ని గురించి వాడు కోపం తెచ్చుకోలేదు. ఏదైతే పని చేస్తున్నాడో దాని గురించి వాడు ఫార్వర్డ్ అవుతున్నాడు. థ్యాంక్ఫుల్, రైట్. I looked at myself in the mirror and said, you know what, the world is right, that I have no arms and legs. He looked himself into the mirror. Who was looked here? I refers to Nikvi Zusik. Nikvi Zusik has to look himself in the mirror, and he said himself, you know what is the world is right, that I have no arms and legs. The world knows that I don't have any arms and legs, but they will never to take away the beauty of my house, my eyes. The world knows that I don't have any arms and legs, but the God will not take away my beauty of eyes. I have eyes. I don't have legs and arms, but I have eyes. I want to do something, right? I wanted to concentrate on something God good that I had. He has to concentrate himself, what he has to do for others. For others, he has to do good, right? He has to help others so that he concentrate on that things. So the challenges in our lives are though there to strengthen our convictions. What are the challenges in our life? There to be strength. It means the challenges in our lives are there to be strength our convictions. We have to believe that our whatever strengths will be there. So we reach our strengths, right? We want to close that strengths, right? We come across those strengths so that we believe our convictions, right? They are not there to turn us over, said Nick. In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen Award. Young Citizen of the Year Award is bravery and perseverance. He was won the Australian Young Citizen Award. In which year? In 19. Wow, what is going on? What is going on? She sped off really quickly, right? At once I was in a car and a girl at traffic lights was looking at me interestingly. When he was going in a car, the Nikvi Jusik was going in a car, so that a girl at traffic, a girl will be there. She looks to, she was looking interesting towards to the Nikvi Jusik, right? So she could only see my head, and so I decided to do 360-degree spin in the car seat to frank her out. So what he has to do? A girl will looking interested, looking at Nick Vujicic. So he decided himself he want to turn, he want to spin 360 degrees in the car seat. So to frank her out, right? To frank her out. Her face was likely, wow, what is going on? She sped off really quickly. When a girl was looking interestingly towards to the Nick Vujicic, what he decided? He decided to round a 360-degree spin in the car, right? When he was sitting in a car, he round 360 degrees in a spin in the car, so that her face was likely, wow. That girl was thinking, looking her to interesting looking Nick Vujicic. What he thinks that, oh, what is going on? Right. So